Starting exercise 2, primary mathematics 3A. What does each digit stand for? So the first or unit digit is a ones, so it's a value only 8. Next one is a 10, it means this one is a 80. Next one is a 100, so this is a 400. And finally this one is a 1000, so it's a 2000. Okay, very simple. What about next one? First one is a 1, second one is a 10, third one is a 100, and fourth one is a 1000. So we can say this one is a 7, it's a 40, this is a 400, and finally this one is a 6000. Okay, same thing, this is a 9, it's a 90, it's a 700, and finally this one is a 7000. Very simple. Next one, write the missing numbers. Look, 999, this one is a 9, this one is a 90, and finally this one is a 900. So missing number is 90, right? Same thing, it's a missing number. This 2 is a 2000, 6 is a 600, 5 is a 50, and 8, it's only 8. So here is a 4 is a 4000, 9 is a 900, 5 is a 50, it's a missing, and this 5 is a 5. What about next one? Look, 1 is a 1000, 7 is a 700, and this 7 is a 70, and finally this 3 is a 3. What about next one? 3332. So first this 2 is a 2, this 3 is a 30, this 3 is a 300, so finally this 3 is a 3000. Okay, same thing, 0 has no successive value, so it's a 90, it's a 600, and finally 5 is a 5000. Same thing, this is a 6, 0 has no successive value, so 2 is a 200. Okay, so number 1 and 2 done. Next one, fill in the blank. Here 1000 is a 5, 100 is a 8, 10 is a 9, 7 is a ones. So it means 5897 is a 4-digit number. It's made up 5800, sorry, 5000, right? It's a 5000. 5800, 9 tens, and 7 ones. It's a nice question. Number B, 5 is a stand for 5000. In 5897, the digit 100 place is dash is in the 100 place. 8 is in the 100 place. The value of the digit is 800. Okay. Number D, in 5897, the digit in the 10th place is 9, and the digit in the 1000 place is 5. Okay. Number 4, in 3801, the digit 8 stand for 800. In 7604, the digit dash is in the 100 place. Which one is the 100 place? 6 is the 100 place. 5263, the value of the digit 6, this is a 6, is 60, right? In 3507, the 0 is in the place what? 10. In 3895, the digit is in the 1 place is 5, and the digit is 100 place is 8. So thank you very much following my video. This video I'm trying to solve exercise 2 of primary mathematics 3A. Next video will come very soon. Till then, take care, keep practice, and please subscribe my channel, which is Sad Educate. Thank you.